Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? I'm doing amazing. I am just rocking out these videos today. Now I have a video for you. It is not new to my channel, maybe new to you. It is a fairly new subscription box, and it is a book box, and I am a bookworm. So what better box to get than a book box? And it is Universe Bound book box, and I will link the video to my first Universe Bound book box up in the iCards for you so that you can check that one out too. This is the second box, as you can see, in the subscription box company's history. I had to think about how I was going to say that, but this is the second box. I received the first box last month and it was amazing, and I read both the books and they were both amazing books. So I am so excited to get into this one because I'm, running out of things to read over here. I always have my face in a book. So, all right, we are going to open this up. I am going to rip the, there we go. Oh, it was still stuck. There we go. All right, there we go. And this is what you see when you open it up. Nope, I knew it was gonna do that. It is filled to the brim here. Okay, so this is what I see first, and this says Universe Bound Book Box 2. That is a beautiful picture. Beautiful. And this tells us what the contents of our box has in it. And this is after we take the card away. This is what we see when we open it. So, first thing is Reader's Journal. Ooh. Reader's Journal is your lighthouse. I'll assist you with organizing your thoughts, tracking your goals, list who borrowed your treasures, and maintain your sanity. Relax, read, and enjoy. And there it is. This is going to be so cool. All right, well, so we're just gonna open it to a random page. There we go. And you can write the author, the email, the publisher, hard copy, e-publication, audiobook, and even give it stars. You can write your notes, and it says over here you can circle whether it was fantasy, sci-fi, all that. Favorite characters, quotes right up here at the top. Thoughts and feelings. I like that because you read a book and then you a couple years later and you go, I wonder, maybe I should read that book again. Well, you can keep track of it in here and pick out your favorite book of all time and put it in here, and then you will always remember, because the brain don't work as well as it used to. So I sometimes forget things. So this is going to be perfect for me. I love this idea. Wonderful. Very, very nice. And I love that picture. Love it. Okay, on to the next thing. And I'm trying to, oh my goodness, this is a heck of a candle. Okay. Universe Bound candle. And they make their own candles. Isn't that amazing? And this is in the scent Ylang. Okay, so we are going to try to say this. Canaga odorata. Oh goodness. Okay. Cananaga odorata. Known as the Cananaga tree, is a tropical tree that is native to Indonesia, Malaysia, and the Philippines. It is valued for the perfume extracted from its flowers, called Ylang. So when I'm saying Lang Lang, that is not how you pronounce it. It is Ylang, Ylang. Right down, where'd it go? Right down here, it shows you how to say Ylang, Ylang. Huh. Maybe I'm still saying it wrong. Who knows? That smells good. There it is. And that's a pretty good sized candle. I like that. Yay. That smells yummy. And you can reuse the jar too. Bonus. Okay. So then we have, something is in a brown bag. Treats. This is, Lorna Doone shortbread cookies. They sent me some cookies to snack on while I'm reading my books. I'm gonna have to hide these. Let's see. Oh my goodness. Yep. They smell yummy. They smell yummy. I am going to hide these so when I read my book later, I have a snack. Thank you. That's amazing. I like that. Get a little snack while you're reading your book. And then we have Nannies. Yep, Nannies almond chocolate biscottis. And there they are, and I have 2 of them. And just because I have 2 doesn't mean I'm sharing. But there is the biscottis. Oh, I like that. Another nice snack while we are hanging out with our book. And then we have Universe Bound Tea and Treats. And this tea is lemon hibiscus, hibiscus lemongrass. Let me turn it the right way. Hibiscus, lemongrass, lemon balm, and lemon myrtle give this blend its refreshing qualities. Brews a beautiful deep red color. Ooh. Open it up. That smells so good. That is how it comes. They put it in their own little package. That smells yummy. And then they put it in this and you keep it nice and safe and fresh. It keeps it real fresh. I still have tea from my last box and it is just as fresh as the day they sent it to me. So love these packaging. That awesome. Awesome. Okay. And then we have coffee bean and caramel candy. Let's see if we can get this open. Aha, got it, got it, got it, got it. Oh, my dog just sneezed. And so this, it is filled with little treats. Espresso candy. Espresso. Oh, goodness. I'll be zooming through the book. And then there's a Werther's. Oh, my goodness. That looks. Cena ginger candy. There's ginger candy. That is packed full of little treats. Oh, I love it. Love it. I'm going to have so much to eat. I hope I don't fall asleep while I'm reading the book. What? I'll just eat a piece of the espresso candy. That'll keep me awake. Almost lost my candy. All right, close it up. Thank you so much. And there is the cute. That is so cute. I love these little things. Okay, so let's see what else we have in here. We'll move this out of the way. And we have 3 bookmarks. And the first one is Mythical Legends Publishing. You can never have too many bookmarks. Never. The amount of books I read at once, sometimes I'm up to 3 to 4 books at once. And then this one is They Who Dream by Day are cognizant of many things which escape those who dream only by night. Edgar Allan Poe. I like that. And then we have this one. You make life worth living. Me. Awesome. Awesome. Love it, love it, love it. So now we are down to the books. And the first book is by Michelle Lowe, and it is called Legacy. It says, a thief, a lover, and a toy maker, drawn together by fate. Unlikely champions against a powerful and remorseful enemy. When not fighting each other, they must confront a powerful lord and end his plan to unleash the global violence. No problem, but behind the scenes, the immortal trickster is manipulating men like puppets, changing history for his own amusement. And as an ancient plan is set into motion, the trio are faced with events they do not understand and may not survive. Legacy is the first of an epic new series that combines fantasy and steampunk in an unforgettable novel set in Victorian England. That sounds like it's going to be a great book. Did that say mythical and steam? No, it said fantasy and steampunk. What a combination. And there's the print. The print in these books that I have received. Sometimes the smaller books, the smaller print gives me a headache. So I am thankful for the bigger print. This is going to be a great book. Thank you. Oh my goodness, thank you. And then we have a book called Gunpowder Alchemy. And it is by Jeannie Lynn. And here's the book. She looks like she could kick some butt, right? In 1842, the gunpowder might of China's Qing dynasty, I think that says king, I'm not sure entirely how to pronounce that, fell to Britain's steam engines. Furious, the emperor ordered the death of his engineers, eliminating China's best chance of fighting back. Since her father's execution 8 years ago, Jin Soling has kept her family from falling apart, with her mother addicted to opium and her younger brother in danger of being sent off to the factories. Soling has no choice but to sell off the last of her father's possessions. Unwittingly, her actions bring her to the attention of the imperial court, the same court that betrayed her father. The crown prince has launched a secret mission to bring together the remnants of the former Ministry of Science. To restore her family's name, Soling must track down the rebel alchemist who holds the key to powering the imperial fleet. Her only ally is a man she just met, the engineer with a mysterious past who was once meant to be her husband. Ooh. Ooh. That's going to be another good book. And the print is okay in my book. Oh my goodness. I got some thick books to read here. These might take me a little while, but I cannot wait to get into these books. This one, I think, is going to be excellent. So, it looks like we have one more thing. If I can get it out. Come out. Thank you for coming out. Okay, and this is a reader's calendar. So I can write down the books that I want to read, books I want to order, milestones, and books that I have to return if I may have borrowed books, maybe even from the local library. Never know. I don't even know many people that go to the library anymore. But there still may be people out there that do go to the library. So don't forget to return your books. Anyway, that is it for this box. This box is 27. Nope, that's Canadian. Hold on. This box, get over there. This box is $32.99 a month, and I think, if I'm correct, yes, there is a code on Cratejoy, and it is UB Holidays 2018, and you will get 10% off your box. And I don't believe I have it. I might have a code. I'll check my other video, but I'm not sure. But 10% off, that's still a pretty good deal. And like I said, you get 2 to 3 books. Usually you get 2 books. That's what I got last time. The journal, that's a bonus in my book anyway. And then the biscotti and the treats and the candy. This is such a wonderful box, and the books in this box are different from normal books that I would gravitate to, but since I've been receiving this box, it has changed my whole reading genre. I love the books in this box. They're amazing. I would never have picked out those books for myself to read, but now that I have them in front of me, now I need to get into these books. I need to read these books. These books, they just take me to another place, and it's nice to escape every once in a while, and more often than not. I just love these books, and the last 2 books that I got, amazing, and that's why I cannot wait to get into these ones. So I need to get off of here so I can start reading, because if I don't, I'm going to drive myself crazy, because I need to read these books, and they are going to take me a little while, but that's okay. And I want to say thank you to James, the curator of this box, who sent me this box to review. I appreciate you. This box is amazing. I hope that you do well, because anybody that's a reader needs to get their hands on this box. It's well worth it. It's so well presented, and the care that goes into this box, it's amazing. And the curator, James, as soon as you order the box, it's like he gets right on it and takes care of you, and amazing customer service. If you have a problem with your box, just email him. He will take care of you. So thank you again, James. I appreciate you and everything you're doing. I wish you the best of luck. I have my fingers crossed. I don't think that I need to even cross them. I think that you're going to do so good with this box. Okay, that is it, my friends. I've got to go cook dinner. No, girls got to do what a girl's got to do. But why don't you go ahead and stop the video right now and hit that subscribe button over there. Let me know with a thumbs up that you like this video, and you might or might not get this box. I hope that you do get this box, because it is amazing. All right, guys, I will see you in my next video. I got some cookies that I need to eat. Don't tell my husband, because it's almost dinner time, and I don't want him to say, well, you were eating cookies, that's why you didn't eat dinner. You don't need to know. All right, guys, I'll see you in my next video.